So convert 10 meters square and write the same area in centimeters square. How many centimeters square will it be? And you can actually pause the video right now and try to convert this. All you have to do is know how many meters makes 1 centimeter, or in this case, how many centimeters makes a meter. We know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. That's all you need to know to solve this problem. Everywhere you find a meter, replace it with 100 centimeters and see what you get. Now I'm going to try this problem. While writing, I'm going to write this as 10 times meter into meter. Meter times meter. That's what this means. And now I'm going to convert my meters into centimeters. And how many meters do I have? I have meters twice, meter into meter. So let me do that. I'm going to write 10. And now this meter will become 100 centimeter. Or rather, maybe let's put it like this. This 1 meter is going to become 100 centimeters. And the same thing is going to happen to this meter as well. That's going to become another 100 centimeters. So I have all my units over here. So 10 times 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters. Let me just take all my numbers together. 10 times 100 times 100. That's a big number. So I'm going to write 10 times 100 times another 100. Multiplied by centimeters times centimeters. You can notice how treating these units, the centimeters and meters, just along with the numbers and carrying them till the end makes it so that you will not make any mistake. So your 10 meters squared, 10 times meter into meter, keeping all of these units brings you to a case where now you have some number into centimeter. And that's what you want. You want the answer in centimeters squared. So this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. Centimeter squared. And how much is that? That's 1 lakh centimeters squared. So 10 meters squared is 1 lakh centimeters squared. Let's do one more problem. Convert 1000 centimeters squared into meter squared in meter squared. And again, the only thing I need to know is that 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So I'm going to write this differently. I'm going to write 1000 over here into centimeter into cm into cm. This is actually 1 cm into 1 cm. So we don't write that 1. And now I have to convert this 1 centimeter into meters. Now I know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100th of a meter, which is another way of saying 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So if I use that over here, I'll get 1000 times this 1 centimeter will become 1 by 100th of a meter. And then again, this 1 centimeter will become 1 by 100th of a meter. Now the reason I know that I must convert my centimeters into meters is that that's what the question asks. If the question says kilometers over here or millimeters over here, I'll have to do whatever the question asks me to do. So in this case, it's meters. So I have 1 by 100 into 1 by 100. So let's see what that gives me. I'm going to collect all the numbers together and the units together. So I'll have 1000 divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by one more 100, finally multiplied by meter into meter. Now I don't care what this number is. I'm happy because now I have my units exactly what I want, meter into meter. So what is this going to be? 1000 divided by 100 and another 100. So one more 0, 0. So 1000 divided by 10,000, or that's 1 by 10. 1 by 10, and the meter square would have come along with me, meter squared and meter squared. So 1/10 of a meter squared, or 0.1 meter squared, 0.1 meter squared. Let's do a problem using kilometer square now. And let's say you have to convert 2 kilometers squared to meter squared. How many meters square would this be? And as always, as you pause this video and try to solve this on your own, you will see that you're doing the same thing in all these problems. Now let me try this and let's see if you're thinking about it the same way. So I'm going to write 2 times kilometers squared. So that's going to be kilometers into kilometers. I'm going to use blue for kilometers. Kilometers into kilometers. And let me stick to my old orange for meters. So let's make this meter squared. So 2 times kilometers into kilometers. This is basically 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Now I know I want my answer in meters, so I must write down my wherever I find kilometers in my question, I'll change that to meter. And for that, I need to know what's the relationship between a kilometer and a meter. So I know 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters. So I'm going to use this over here. I'm going to get 2 times 1 kilometer is going to become into 1,000 meters. This becomes 1,000 meters. This is going to become another 1,000 meters. So let's do this again over here. Let's write this such that we have the numbers together and the units together. So I have 2 times 1,000 into 1,000. That's huge. 1,000 times 1,000 multiplied with meters into meters or meters squared. So all my numbers together over here. And what's that going to be equal to? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters squared. And what is that? That's, if I use my commas, that's 20 lakh meters squared. 2 kilometers squared is 20 lakh meters squared.